Coming in, the SIT of West Bengal CID is questioning former SP Cooch Behar and suspended IPS officer Debashish Dhar in the Sital Kochi case where 4 TMC workers were killed in firing by the CISF. Remember, this incident took place during the West Bengal Assembly elections, and based on the reports filed by Cooch Behar, DM, SP, DIG of the Jalpaiguri range and Special Police Observer, the Election Commission had earlier on clarified that the Central Forces had fired bullets purely in self-defense. But for the moment, the SIT of West Bengal CID is questioning former SP Cooch Behar and also suspended IPS officer Debashish Dhar in the Sital Kochi case. This is an incident where 4 TMC workers were killed in firing by the CISF during the West Bengal Assembly elections. Earlier on, the CID had hinted that they would summon every police officer involved in the initial probe, but they had delayed that process, hoping to record first the statements of the 6 CISF personnel. And the Central Force is also yet to respond to CID's notices, which have already been issued twice in just 1 month. So the SIT for the moment of the CID West Bengal going ahead and questioning all of these police officers. We have Bhaskar Basu, my colleague, joining us on the phone line. Now, Bhaskar, you had the CID confirming earlier on that they will go ahead with these summons and questionings once they're done questioning all the CISF personnel involved. And so these summons now taking place.
Absolutely. Christian, now former SP of Cooch Behar and suspended IPS officer Debashish Dhar is now answering the questions of the SIT of CID West Bengal. Earlier, in the fourth phase of assembly poll election in Bengal, CISF had to fire a few rounds of bullets due to self-defense, as per the report submitted by former SP and the DIG Jalpaiguri range on that time. But the West Bengal CID will take this case and the CID will take this investigation to a further level. And right now they are questioning former SP of Cooch Behar, Mr. Debashish Dhar, who is now a suspended IPS officer on that case. And along with that, CID had also sent the notice to CISF, which CISF didn't respond yet. But the question is, on that time, Election Commission clearly stated that CISF had to fire a few rounds of bullets due to their self-defense. But the CID of West Bengal, which formed a special investigation team, they are not ready to agree with that. So they are now questioning former SP Cooch Behar, Debashish Dhar, who was transferred just before the assembly election into Cooch Behar. And later, after the election commission handed over the charge to West Bengal state government, he was suspended and another person was transferred into SP Cooch Behar post. So the CID's special investigation team is right now questioning SP Cooch Behar, former SP Cooch Behar, Debashish Dhar, in Bhavani Bhawan, which is the CID headquarters here in West Bengal. And after that questioning, the CID will take a further steps to complete this investigation process in ahead of time. Christian.
Absolutely. Bhaskar Basu, Republic Bangladesh, breaking down all those crucial details for us. Thank you, Bhaskar. We'll keep coming back to you as and when we pick up more inputs on the same.